You the drug dealer?
Yeah. Yeah, you're. What do I look like, a fucking scientist, and I just sell it? All right. You guys aren't narcs, are you? Whoa. Maybe you're a narc. Yeah, you know who calls people narcs? Narcs. Narc. Like, well, I mean, like, technically your argument, yeah,
Just collapse on itself.
because,
So.
like, you called us narcs, and like, if you call people narcs, then you're a narc. Like, I don't have time for this shit. You guys want to do this shit or not? Yeah. All right, how many you guys want? You want what? Like one? Like,
Yeah, one
no,
each.
one each.
Like, I mean, I was gonna split his, like, but.
All right. Take it here, so I know you're cool. Yeah.
I have to get back to class. I was gonna take mine and, like, go to sleep.
I was thinking about getting a little snuggy, getting a little weird. You know what I mean?
I was gonna masturbate and take mine later.
I'm not asking. It's either take it now or get the fuck out. I gotta finish the girls' volleyball page by lunch. Yeah, so. Yeah, doing
drugs at school.
Yeah.
I'm putting drugs into my mouth. We're gonna put drugs into our mouths.
Drugs.
Bon appetit, boys.
What's that? That's Cool Ranch. Have fun.